Okay, hello, me and Jessie are going to do yoga. Okay, Jessie, get in a place. Okay, first, Jessie, we gotta stretch. That's as far as it can go, I'm too fat. You're a big buggle. Oh!
Jessie, go over there.
Go over here.
I don't have food.
Chachi.
Okay, do some other yoga that you know.
Now, Jessie, let's stretch out your legs. Which you can't really do because you're too fat. Your legs are stretched out. Okay. Now. Okay. Now, here's what you're going to do, Jessie. You got to touch your toes.
Oh no, that's impossible.
She can't touch her toes.
Her body's too long. She's like a hot dog.
You're such a wiener. Okay, then we'll do something hot dogs do for yoga. Okay, here's what hot dogs do for yoga. Lick my
Maybe you can
face.
give her a back massage.
Oh, okay, but she likes something different. Jessie, go over here. She likes this. That's what she likes. Oh yes, you like that. Look at this. Look at this girl. Jessie, are you fat? Yeah, I think you are. Okay.
Okay, Brooke. Dinner's ready.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Jessie.
Bye.
And then lick my thumb.